to welcome back, guys. So today we have another unboxing. I'm pretty sure these are the Harry Potters again. Let's check it out. Hopefully there's no invoice. So I got 3 of this Harry Potter. This is a Gryffindor. This one right here. Since I come with a sticker, I'm not sure that's a sticker or yeah, it looks like a sticker, and it's Fruit of the Room HD cotton. And then the second one is this one, the Wild Barbie Harry Potter. Extra large, black color. And then this is Jersey Dry Power Active, extra large. And the last one, or the third one, what is this? Pop Funk Harry Potter, size large. Let's go ahead and this is by Delta Pro Weight. You see Professor Dumbledore right there. It's a sticker, and then Harry Potter sticker. So let's go ahead and get this open. And this one says, happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light. Albus Dumbledore. Alright, so that is that. Let's check out this one. This is 50% cotton, 50% polyester, made in El Salvador. So this is like a Harry Potter's head, wearing like glasses. Can you see that? What the heck? That's like a paint from the glass. Or something like that. They might be defective. I don't think the paint's gonna come out. Every time I tell my wife to return it because you don't want to wear it like this, and she won't listen. She's afraid to return or something. And that is that. Let's go ahead and move on to the last piece. This one looks pretty nice. Come with this Gryffindor stickers. Oh, what's this? Puff Punk on Amazon. And then this one is 100% cotton. So this one is pretty nice prints on here. This might be for me because I'm a Gryffindor. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.